Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to buy travel insurance on Jet2 application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Jet2 application. Now when you do that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Jet2. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel, where we have plenty of how to Jet2 videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the inbox. In the top right corner, we have the menu, where you can see search flights, search holidays, and all of those things. And the bottom, we have the home, holidays, flights, we have bookings, sign in, and the offers option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy insurance. Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to know how to do it. The first thing that you need to do guys is go to the middle of the screen, as you can see, and click on frequently asked questions. There guys, you can do it also on better to do it on maybe your web page, which is jet2.com. Then you will have to choose a topic where you can go and choose the topic of booking and payment options. There you'll have an option to choose a category. There you have 4 categories. You have our fares, travel insurance, booking errors. What you need to go and click on is travel insurance to do it. So guys, that is basically everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. I would be asking you as always that if you could be liking this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on guys. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.